Guys, this could be the biggest Apple Watch upgrade in years. According to new leaks from Mac Rumors, 9 to 5 Mac and other trusted sources, Apple is reportedly preparing a major redesign for the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 4. And unlike previous years, this upgrade may focus heavily on health tracking, battery efficiency, and sensor technology instead of just performance. Starting with the display, the latest reports now suggest Apple will continue using an advanced OLED display instead of micro-LED. Earlier rumors claimed the Ultra 4 would become Apple's first micro-LED smartwatch, but newer supply chain reports say the technology has been delayed again because of manufacturing problems and high production costs. Instead, Apple is expected to improve brightness, outdoor visibility, efficiency, and bezel size while sticking with OLED for another generation. Now let's talk about the biggest rumor, the redesign. Multiple reports from DG Times. Supply chain leaks claim the Apple Watch Ultra 4 could receive its first major redesign since the Ultra lineup launched. Reports mention a thinner titanium body, refined edges, redesigned rear sensors, and a cleaner overall look. Some leaks even mention a new ring-style sensor arrangement underneath the watch for improved health tracking accuracy. However, not everyone believes Apple will completely change the watch visually. Many Reddit users think Apple may simply refine the current Ultra design rather than fully redesign it. Some users also hope Apple reduces the bulky size because the current 49mm model feels too large for everyday wear. Health features could become the biggest upgrade this year. Multiple reports suggest Apple is working on improved blood pressure monitoring for the Ultra 4. According to leaks, the watch may analyze blood vessel responses using upgraded optical sensors and send alerts if abnormal patterns are detected. However, reports say it likely will not provide exact blood pressure numbers like medical equipment. Leaks also suggest Apple may dramatically increase the number of sensors inside the watch. DG Times reports claim Apple could nearly double the sensor components compared to previous Ultra models, improving heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, workout accuracy, and overall biometric monitoring. Performance upgrades are also expected. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 will likely feature a newer S-series chip with improved efficiency, faster responsiveness, and better AI processing. Reports suggest Apple may focus more on power efficiency this year to improve battery life instead of chasing massive performance gains. Some rumors also mention stronger GPS tracking and improved outdoor navigation features aimed at hikers, athletes, and adventure users. Battery life remains one of the biggest reasons users buy the Ultra lineup, and many community discussions online show users want even longer endurance. Some Reddit users say they would upgrade immediately if Apple improves battery life significantly. Others still hope for multi-day battery performance closer to dedicated outdoor watches. There are also smaller rumors floating around, including possible Touch ID integration for faster authentication. Some reports suggest Apple has explored fingerprint authentication directly on the watch, although this feature remains uncertain and unconfirmed. As for pricing, most reports suggest the Apple Watch Ultra 4 will likely remain in the premium smartwatch category with a starting price around $799 to $899. In the US, the watch is expected to launch alongside the iPhone 18 lineup during Apple's September 2026 event. Right now, the biggest theme behind the Apple Watch Ultra 4 leaks is refinement. Apple appears focused on making the Ultra thinner, smarter, more efficient, and better at health tracking while keeping the rugged titanium identity that made the Ultra lineup popular in the first place. And honestly, if Apple delivers a thinner titanium design, better battery life, improved blood pressure monitoring, upgraded sensors, and a brighter OLED display, the Apple Watch Ultra 4 could easily become one of the best smartwatches of 2026. Tell us your opinion, guys. Subscribe the Upgrade Zone for upcoming real updates.